This is me Tanisshqq and welcome to my channel Tanish the Spider Boy. We got bored by racing. Now we are checking this aeroplane is quite fun. It can fly backwards too. Let's see. Oh, this toy is quite fun. You want to see what it can do? Like this. It is not a ghost. It is just a robot. Like this. It looks like the robot is driving. And you do like this. You can't see the robot. It is quite fun. You know, vroom, vroom, vroom. Toy, the Pac-Man. This is my favorite toy. He can eat anything. You want to eat? Oh, you want to eat this block? Then you take blocks. We can use this. It is our organizer. Look at the bike. This is the broken ones, but it can still move. It can also transform like this. There is a transformer. Look at it, a mini race car. You want to see one more thing? This truck. Those looks like those are the roosters. I have one more character, the gecko. I have a race car and a trainer in a blue car and something else. And a yellow fast car. And something and a villain is hiding inside. Let's see. Something it is. Let's take a look. It is Joker. It is Joker from the Batman movie. And who's this plane? This rocket plane is so cool. Let's see. A hard toy. His name is Optimus Prime. Look at his long legs. This Spidey hard toy. It can't move. Look at it. Head can't move. The hands can't move. The legs can't move. And the ears. I like this detail on the eyes. Look at this part of the eye. It looks like his eyes is glowing in the dark. Look at blue materials. Yes. It can come in the part and we can and make back together. This is so easy. Oopsie, wrong way. There. Now like this. Miku's toy, Miku plays with it, his toy like this only. Please subscribe my channel. I'm Tanisshqq, the Spider Boy.